Welcome to Department of Mechanical Engineering. Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in 1994 with intake 24 students, and in 1998 we have a first graduation of this student, and in 2001 we have a student in mechanical engineering. So I joined in 2001 as a lecturer in this department. Now I am as a head of department since 2018 October. So I like to, when I want to say about the welcoming department, I want to say about something of our department. So we have 4 sub-division. We started this intake of 120 in 2015, and we have sub-division. We have automobile, design, energy, and hydropower. So total 120 students are intake now. So this is the first batch will be come out in this convocation in 2019. That will be in October. So now when you talk about the challenges of our department and strength of the department, we have 4 full professor, 2 associate professor, 4 assistant professor, and 8 lecturer. So when you see this department, this is one of the strongest department in School of Engineering, not only in School of Engineering, as a whole in School of in the Kathmandu University. When you say about the recent activities of our department, we have activities such as Make Talk, that is generally the relation between the speakers that we want to speak, and there are people want to say about something about department, they can come and share their experience in the Make Talk. That is done with the help of our student, and other activities such as in our department, there are such as national conference, international conference are going parallelly in this way. And recently we have a first national conference on automotive engineering. That was the first time here. And also, if we talk about the international conference and symposium and workshop are parallelly going, so in the hydropower sector, in the energy sector, and in the design sector. And we have a collaboration with other universities and national and international, such as if you want to make something hand, we have a prototype hand making machine that is called about design lab. Design lab is, we established the design lab, and other labs are parallelly, we are working on other labs also. That is our first priority. If you talk about the lab development, we are morely focused on the lab development nowadays, as we have exceeded the student of 120. The capacity is above the limit, and now other phase will be in the development of lab development and other activities of our department. And the first time in the history of Nepal, we have made a vehicle that rolls, that applies on the other countries. That is the first, we call it as a history was made in department, because in Nepal we have always seen that the vehicle from the foreign country are flying in our road. We have not seen our vehicle made in Nepal flying in the other. So this is the first time that we made a vehicle made by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, by our student and the faculty, that we carry that vehicle to the Malaysia in F1 circuit, and we tested our vehicle there. That is the greatest achievement if you have seen in this world. So in the future, we will see that this type of event, we will try to participate in this type of event in future with more courage will be given to the student, and more facility will be given to the faculty, so that they can compete with other participants, such as the top university of other countries also came there to participate in that event. So not only in the Silicon Marathon, we can compete in other competition, maybe in the robotics, maybe in the energy technology, maybe in the hydropower sector. So to come to know about the Department of Mechanical Engineering, we should say that the world should know about our university, whole should know about our department. For that, we have to compete with other departments, compete with other schools, other universities, so in the future that people will come to know that where is the Kathmandu university and where is the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So that is a plus point. So we have put the milestone there, and we have put the foundation stone in that event, and hope in the future we will have more this type of event. We will have participate in this type of event. About the conference and participation, our faculty have a strength. They are competing in different events as well as they are participating in different programs and seminar, workshop, conference, national and international. So that is our strength. If you see in our department, that we work as a team and we are one for everyone, and we are doing this for our challenges. If you see this time, we have 120 intake in bachelor and about 30 intake in master. So in the master program we have 3 streams. The one stream is about the energy planning, the second stream is about the energy efficient building design, and third one is about master in mechanical engineering. So the master in mechanical is the core mechanical subject that take care knowledge in 2 years, and after that energy efficient building and energy planning is for the multidisciplinary. And we have MS by research. We call it as research activities to get more focus on the research activities and to give the student more research in hand. So we have MS by research also. That is about the research, and plus we have PhD. So PhD is more in the research activities of the student that student can get from the research. They can find in the future activities about the solving problem, about what are the problem they can find. So these are some of the activities that are in our department. So I like to encourage all the students from the bachelor to the PhD to join our university, join the Department of Mechanical, where we can develop the state-of-art laboratories and research center in the future. Thank you.